If you want to know about latest Android tips and tricks, subscribe our channel Android Hacks and hit the bell button to never miss a video from us. Hey guys, welcome to Android Hacks. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise using your Android. You don't need to use Audacity or other softwares using your PC. You can remove your background noise using this Android app. If you have any audio file or if you have any video file and if you want to edit the audio of the video file, you can do it using this app. Please watch the video till the end. First of all, you need Lexus audio editor to edit the audio files. Next up, you need Mp3 Video Converter to convert the video files into audio files. These apps are free on the Play Store. I'll leave the links in the description. Open Mp3 Video Converter. Select the video file which you want to convert into audio. Simply click on Convert. Your audio file is ready now. Next, open Lexus Audio Editor. You can also use this app as an audio recorder. To start the recording, click on the red button. To stop the recording, click here. To play and listen to your recording, click on the play button. Now open the file which you converted. The file looks like this. Now to edit the file, click on three dots, FX, and select noise reduction. Remember guys, you have to set the same settings displayed here. Copy the settings. Set the threshold to -38 dB and rate to 76%. Leave the other settings as it is. Click on apply. You can see the difference now. Next, click on three dots, FX, and click on Compressor. Again, you have to set the same settings displayed here. Click on apply. Next up, you need to go to FX and open Equalizer. Set it to 7 or 8 and click apply. The equalizer will take time while editing guys. Be patient. Now you can see a lot of difference. You can check it by playing it. Now hit on three dots, FX. Hit the compressor again and click apply. Yeah, now you can play and check the audio file. You'll see a lot of difference. After you're done, click on save button. Set your title and press on done. Remember guys, you have to save it on .m4a. This is the best quality audio file. Click on save. Your audio file is saved now. Now add the edited audio file to the video file. To do so, I'm using Power Director. Open the video file first. Now add the audio file. Set your audio file. After you're done, save it. That's it guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and please do subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.